Welcome to Sonic Tech, the Self-Learners Club. This video will teach you how to view permissions and data stored across sites on the Microsoft Edge browser. First, open the Microsoft Edge browser. Then, open Settings. Choose the Cookies and Site Permissions option. You can see the permissions for the sites, such as location, camera, microphone, notifications, automatic downloads, and other options. Open Location. Sites usually use your location for relevant features or info, like local news or nearby shops. Set the default behavior, which sites automatically follow this setting when you visit them. You can allow sites to ask for your location, or don't allow sites to ask for your location. Here you can see the sites, which are allowed to see your location, and the sites, which are not allowed to see your location. Let's see the camera permissions. Sites usually use your video camera for communication features like video chatting. You can set the default behavior, which sites automatically follow this setting when you visit them. You can allow sites to ask to use your camera, or don't allow sites to ask to use your camera. And here you can see the sites, which are allowed to use your camera, and the sites, which are not allowed to use your camera. Let's try now the notification permission. You can let Microsoft Edge ask you before enabling the site from sending a notification. If you turn this option off, you will prevent all notification requests from interrupting you. And here you can see the sites, which are allowed to send you requests, and the sites, which are not allowed to send you requests. And you can edit or remove these sites. Let's see the ad permissions. You can block sites that show intrusive and misleading ads or allow them. And here you can add the sites, which are allowed to show intrusive and misleading ads, and the sites, which are not allowed to show intrusive and misleading ads. Finally, let's try Media Autoplay permission. You can control if audio and video play automatically on sites. Media will play depending on how you've visited the page and whether you interacted with media in the past. Refresh the page to see changes to this setting. You can add sites to control if audio and video play automatically.